Welcome you students. I come up with fresh question from projection of straight line. The question is, a midpoint of AB is 90 mm long and 60 mm above HP and 50 mm in front of VP. It is inclined at 30 degree to HP and 45 degree to VP. Draw its projection. This is our question. So try to take the given data. Try to take all the given data. A midpoint of AB is 90 mm long, right? 90 mm long, which is nothing but true length. True length, they are talking about the true length, which is 90 mm. And see, a midpoint of a line AB is 90 mm long and 60 mm above HP and 50 mm in front of VP. Read it clear. Midpoint of line is somewhere above the HP and somewhere in front of VP, something like that. There is a statement, right? So if you compare with the previous question, we used to get one of the end of the line is above HP and one of the end of the line is in front of VP, and they will talk about another end, something like that. So using the end in the general problem which we have saw in the previous classes, we used to get the location, right? But here the new term they have included, which is a midpoint. What is a midpoint? For example, if I take a line AB, this is the midpoint. That means the point at which the line is equally divided into 2. The point at which the line is divided into 2, we can call it as a midpoint, right? So if it is a 90 mm line, if it is a 90 mm line based upon the midpoint, I can say A to midpoint 45 will be there and midpoint to B 45 will be there. Center of the line, right? So they are specifying in our question the midpoint is somewhere above HP and somewhere in front of VP. Okay, so what we have to note here is, in all the problems we used to get the locus 4, that means A dash, B dash, A and B as a locus. Since here they have included the midpoint in addition to the locus of A dash, B and B dash, we used to get M dash and M, locus of midpoints. Okay, locus of midpoint in the front view and locus of midpoint in the top view. Okay, so including this there will be a 6 locus. So let me see how it is going to form the profile, right? See, midpoint which is 60 mm above HP and 50 mm in front of VP, and it is inclined at 30 degree to HP and 45 degree to VP, and it is the line is inclined at 30 degree to HP and 45 degree to VP. That means they are specifying the true inclination. So HP inclination is a theta 30 degree to HP, which is a theta, and VP inclination pi, which is 45, which is to VP, right? Fine. Any other data is available? No. Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 data are there. So it is enough to draw the complete profile. Okay, fine. So start with the reference line. Go for a very good horizontal line, 0 degree line, something like this. Above the reference line VP, below the reference line it's horizontal plane HP. Next, always we have to start with the locus. So here you can start the start drawing the locus of midpoint, which is 60 mm above. So from here measure 60 mm, which is above. So above the reference line, measure 60 mm. Somewhere here you get it. Both the ends you can measure it. Have the horizontal line passing through it. Just pass a line through the selected points so that you will get a horizontal line, which is the locus of what? It's a midpoint. So I'm gonna take as M dash. It's on front view, so M dash. What about the next 50 mm in front of VP? It's gonna capture below the reference line. Measure 50 mm. Measure it on both sides. Keep the points and just pass a line through the points. So it goes like this. So this is the locus of midpoint in the top view, M. Okay? Oh, done. So midpoint is specified in the front view and top view so that we can keep the midpoint of the line in the front view and in the top view. Right? It's a midpoint. So at the center of the profile, I'm going to take the M dash. It's a midpoint. So in the center of the profile, I have chosen the M dash. Usually we will get one of the end. At that time, we will go the left extreme. It's a midpoint. I have taken in the center. Fine. So if you drop a line, projector line, very thin line, just a vertical line to the locus of M, we get the M. Okay. Now we have used the locus. Next we have theta as well, pi. You can go with the inclination. Theta inclination is given. Okay. Theta inclination has to take here. So take a protractor, keep on the M dash and just measure 30 degree. Somewhere here you will get the point. With the help of it, go for an inclined line above and below, something like this. Since it is a midpoint, just extend the line as this manner, above as well below. Same, this is done. Pi 45 should be captured in the profile. It captured in the top view. Keep your protractor as this manner and read 45 degree. Somewhere here you will get it and go for an inclined line, something like this. Okay, above and below region, how to extend it, right? This is with 45 and this is with theta is with 30. Next, what is remaining? True length 90 mm is remaining, right? So the true line we have, this is a true line, this is the true line. Okay, so true line we have to specify both the ends of the line. So we know the true length is making 90 mm, am I right? So we have the midpoint. So if you represent the line using the midpoint, one of the side will be 45 and other side will be 45. Am I right? If it is a midpoint, so I can say one part will be with the 45 mm and another part will be with 45 mm, right? So take the measurement 45 in your compass and keep at M dash. Go for a cut mark and just go for a cut mark in the another part. Here as well, here with a 45. And the same thing has to follow in the top view. Take 45, keep M as center, go for a cut mark. Here as well, cut mark here. Okay, fine. So this point will become A1 dash and this cut point will become B1 dash. This point will become A2 dash. A2, it's a front view, sorry, it's a top view, so A2, and this will become B2. If you draw a line passing through the A1 dash, it's the locus of A dash. And if you draw a horizontal line passing through the point B1, it becomes the locus of B dash. If you draw a line passing through A2, it's a locus of A. If you draw a line passing through B2, horizontal line, it becomes locus of B. Okay, all the 6 locus we have, right? So this is the true length, this is the true length and the top view. What is next? Both the true lengths are there, so what we can do is we can find the front view length and top view length. It is so easy. First concentrate with the front view. Okay, concentrate the front view. So this is the one end of the line and this is the another end. From the B1 dash, drop a 90-degree line. It should be taken to the locus of M. And from the A1 dash, drop a perpendicular line to the locus of M. From the end of the front view, we have dropped the 90-degree line, something like this. Can you able to see? From the ends, we have dropped the line. This will be, that means A1 and the point B1, the line A1, B1 is the top view length. And the same from the true inclination and the top view, how to take the projector to the M dash. So this is the one end A2, this is another end B2, right? So from the A2, take the projector to the locus of M dash. The same manner from B2, take the projector to the locus of M1 dash. We have taken from the A2 and B2 something like this, 90-degree to the locus. Okay. So this would be the point, say A2, so this will be A2 dash. It is B2, this would be B2 dash. Okay, this is the front view length, A2 dash to B2 dash, we can call it as front view length. What is next? Simply a rotation, just rotating the line to the locus of B dash and this A2 to the locus of A dash. The same manner, the position of line is like this, just rotating the B1 to locus of B1. At that time, naturally, this A1 goes to the locus of A, right? So for that, take your compass, concentrate the front view. Just take your compass, place M dash as center. This is the length. So we are going with the one portion. Take M dash to B2 dash as a radius. Keep M dash as center, go for an arc. It is from B, so go to the locus of B dash, like this. Okay, this will be your point B. And measure the length A2 dash to M, place M dash as center and it is A2, so bring it to the locus of A dash. Okay, so where it A dash, here it is. So by placing M dash as center, just bring it like this. So it comes like this. Okay, this is the point A dash. It's a front view. So here as well, B dash. If you draw a line joining B dash and A dash, if your profile is good, definitely it passes through the M dash. It passes through the M dash. The line should be straight when you are connecting A dash to B dash, right? Fine. The same thing, have to follow it for the top view in order to find the final top view. This is the final, this is the final front view. Okay, this dark line is a front view. This is a straight line. Fine. Concentrate on the top view. So here is the top view length. By placing the compass on M, just measure it, M to B1 distance, and you are taken from the B1, so bring it to the locus of B. So here is the locus. So somewhere here you get the intersection. So this will become B. This is the direction of flow. Measure M to A1, and you are taken from A1, so bring it to the locus of A. So here, somewhere here, right? So if you do the rotation, it comes like this. Okay, somewhere here you will get it. So this will be final point, so it will be A. If you connect a line joining A and B, it goes in a straight line and passes through the M if the profile is right. Okay, the line will connect A, B, A, M and B, and it is straight. Okay, fine. And after completing it, we know this is the final top view. If you want to check whether the diagram is right one, you can join a line A dash to A, as well you can join a line B dash to B. While doing, if you get the end projectors 90 degree to XY reference line, then your profile is right. When you are joining A dash to A, B dash to B, if the line is 90 degree to the XY line, then the drawing is right. Okay, fine. Afterwards, the measurement, we have to capture it on the diagram. The true length is given 90 mm. So true length, where it is, so here is the true length, as well in the top view, here is the true length. Somewhere in the top view or in the front view you can capture it. I am going with the top view. So take parallel line and right above the line 90. Okay, and then locus is given, so for which I am going to draw a vertical line, something like this, and capture with filled arrows, and right above the lines 60 above the line. So where is the locus of M? Here it is. So here is the locus of M. So right above the line 60. Okay. The same manner, the locus of A is M is here. Drop a line like this, and right above the line 50. Here the locus is specified with the midpoint, so don't confuse it. Bringing to the locus of M dash and M, and mark it just like this. And one more things is there, theta and pi. Theta already we have marked, and pi as well we have marked. And then where is alpha and beta apparent angle in the top view and in the front view? Where? This is the measurement of alpha apparent angle in the front view, and this is the measurement apparent angle in the top view. That means beta, right? So take the information regarding true length. So here 90 mm, question itself mentioned. Then note about pi, theta. Okay, so 30 it is given for theta, and 45 it is mentioned for pi. And note alpha from the profile and beta as well from the profile. Alpha and beta should be noted. We get it in degree. Okay, and the final front view length as well, final top view length we have to measure you measure from A dash to B dash, we get final front view in mm. Now if you measure A to B, we get it in mm, which is a top view length. Okay. Afterwards, capture the node. All dimensions are in mm. As well, we can provide the scale. Okay. Here we have used the true scale, so mention as 1:1. Thank you so much.